toddler.
Yummy, yummy! So tasty! It is night time! Time to sleep! I cannot sleep! My tummy hurts! Hi! Who are you? I am Flora the Fairy. Can you help me? Don't worry, Pixie. I will help you. First things first, brush your teeth. Okay, Flora, I will brush. Brush, brush, brush every night. Keep those teeth shining bright. Your teeth are so sparkly and clean. The brightest smile I have ever seen. Thank you, Flora. Here is your comfy nightwear, Pixie. Now put on your night suit, sweet Pixie dear. Cozy dreams are waiting. Bedtime is near. Oh, it is so pretty. Woo-hoo-woo. Yay! Now let's fold the clothes. Never sleep in a dirty room. Time to clean. Clean, clean, clean. No mess to be seen. A clean room feels so much better. A clean room means sweet dreams, Pixie. Never sleep in white light. Oh! Ah! Dim the lights. Dim lights calm you down. I feel so relaxed already. Time for a lullaby. Good night, Teddy. It is time to sleep. Bye-bye. Good night.